insight into how you can actually use LinkedIn to actually build a business database to build value in the business. So if you'd like to give me a nice novel, like trusting the family in the States.
What I see a lot of business owners doing is they're getting listed on as many social profiles as they can, and then a lot of them will be neglected. So Facebook, you may have a Twitter, but then you've only got less than 100 followers, and it could actually be doing more harm to the business than good. So what I'd encourage you to do is work out where your customers are spending their time and market on those channels. Put your hand up if you've heard of a customer journey map before. Okay, a few of you. Customer journey will identify where your customers are spending their time at different stages of the buying cycle. Inspiration, research, purchase, and post-purchase. When you contact somebody on LinkedIn, for example, you don't know whether or not they've established a need yet. So when you contact somebody who hasn't established a need yet, if you start selling to that person and assuming that they have a need, then you come across as a salesperson, and quite often it'll rub the person up the wrong way. That's why a lot of the messages that you may get in your LinkedIn inbox with all those sales pitches saying, hey, I can get you to the top of Google, we're the best SEO company in Australia, we've won all these awards, just annoy you, and you just press the delete button because they've assumed a need. A much better approach would be, hey, I've had a look at your LinkedIn profile, I've noticed that you're in this industry, I'd like to learn more about what you're doing with your online marketing and where you plan on taking the business. Are you free for a telephone conversation over the next few days? You're not assuming any need, it's a personalised approach. It's taken an interest in what they do, and we find that those sort of messages get a lot better conversion rate. Now, if you're on Google and somebody's already searching for an SEO provider and your ad's showing up the top, it's different. You can actually have calls to action, and you can actually have some sales pitches about how many awards you've won because the person's already identified that they have a need. So different channels, and they're going to be spending their time doing different things, and also they've got different needs that they need fulfilled.